Simba Aman. Could you please play for him? Thank you. As in all traditions, the way has to be opened. And this is what he is doing now, opening the way to begin this demonstration of our history, the ancient history of the Bantu martial arts, the African fighting system. Brother Monk will bring us the club fighting system. And this is from our ancient tradition, the Bantu ancient fighting system with the club. And this is before man. This is one of the first weapons that man used to protect himself and his family. He used the club. Our men were our protectors, and they still are our protectors, and we depend on them. Yes. Thank you, Brother Monk. And now, Simba Aman will bring you the long staff. This is for long-range fighting. Used as weapons to ward off lions and other beasts. Well, he protected his tribe, his family. And now we will have both of them doing self-defense with the knife. Clubs. Yes, Brother Monk. That's cool. Stick fighting. This is for shorter range weapons that were used by our people. This is also a part of the Bantu fighting systems. And you'll see this on the pyramids in Africa, telling our story in the stone about the first African fighting systems. And now this is a weapons demo, where we're using the gun and the knife in self-defense. This is coming more to modern times. And we're dealing with predators in our neighborhoods. You never know when someone you with a gun. Master Simba Aman is showing you how he teaches disarmament. And now with the knife. Simba Aman has been teaching for over 30 years. Universal African fighting systems. Combat fighting systems. Yes. Guerrilla warfare. He has trained bodyguards. He's trained law enforcement officers in these techniques. Now, we're moving to steel, the sword. He's a very skilled swordsman. This is a part of his system. time, but we will be moving to this area in the next couple of months, and Brother Simba Aman will be opening a school here, so please give us your information. We have a sign-up sheet as well as a flyer, a brochure with our bio and other services that we offer. You doing anything? Next, he will be doing the panhand. Hand-to-hand. Hand-to-hand fighting. Thank you. Please give him a hand for the Simba Aman and Monk, Brother Monk. Thank you. We do have flyers with our information that you can that you may reach us and or you may sign up for classes that we will be starting here within the next couple of months. And we say, Badasi, thank you.